Hey guys, this is FOMO Nomo from the happyprofits.com. Just want to go over a very keep it simple, you fill in the blank for the S word. But the word is kiss. Keep it simple. I've been told stupid by my brother. And then after a while, they call it silly to make it non aggressive. But here we go. We're basically going to say, and we're going to day trade. When we day trade momentum stocks, I think basically the best time frames usually are 1 to 5 minute charts. These shorter intervals allow you to capture quick price movements and react to the volatility that is typical with momentum stocks. So if you're looking basically at a 1 hour or 30 minute, I don't think you're going to find the entries that you're going to look for. So keep the entries smaller, and that's just a smaller time frame because of the stocks. So I'm going to basically break down a 4-part strategy for momentum day trading. So my biggest thing that I benefit from is just identifying the pre-market gainers. I just focus on stocks with pre-market volume and notable price increase, 5% or more. And sometimes we trade a lot that are over 100% or more. We always look for catalysts like news, earning reports, because they're likely to drive the momentum. If it's a chat or anything like a pump and dump, they're usually they're gonna fail because when the real market gets there, the real market's not gonna push it up. So those catalysts like that, and then also we do like low float, which means low availability. Number two, wait for a clear setup at the market open. You can set up for specific patterns like bull flags, which we like. We saw one this morning, very good. Ascending triangles and breakouts above resistance levels, like $5 on BTCT today. Again, the time frame, 1 to 5 minutes, will reveal a breakout pattern, usually within the first 15 to 30 minutes after the market opens. And it did take a while for that to develop. We actually bought the dip and rode it up. It actually went from 406 low at the open all the way to 17, I think, today. So you had plenty of chances to make moves in that stock. Really good opening today. So just letting you know that. And then three, enter with confirmation. So where do I enter? Well, my entry point is I enter where a stock breaks a key level, such as a pre-market high with strong volume supporting the move. So obviously after it dipped down in the fours, it did break back up to the 485 area, which was that zone of pre-market highs. And it did break very big and went into 2 or 3 simultaneous halts. And then the last thing to make sure it was kicking in, volume really came in. This ensures volume backing the breakout. If you don't see a breakout that works, you'll see low volume. And obviously, the breakout's not going to happen. It'll probably end up being a fake out breakout, which is a FOBO. So, higher volume on breakout means more significant momentum. And the last step is set a stop loss and define your profit target. You should know what you're doing to get in and out of a stock. So the first one is the stop loss. Use a tight stop loss, usually below a recent support or a breakout level. So I like it below a recent low or the low before lowest below before that or a support area. And then the profit target is consider a partial profit taken at 1 to 1. So that's where people usually scale out. They'll scale out 50% there. And then that 2 to 1, they'll scale out the whole market and possibly allow it to run. But allowing the rest to ride with a trailing stop to cash or for upside if the momentum continues. That's very important. I do get in and out personally a lot, but I like my trades because I feel secure with taking profit at the time I do. And basically, this approach combines selecting high momentum stocks with defined entries and exit rules, which helps you maximize potential in these fast moving stocks. Y'all have a great night.